Well, hey everybody, it's Tom here. Welcome back to my shop. So this video is going to be about normal everyday job shop work that comes in the door. I've been doing this work, made a few of them for my electrician friend, the guy that wired my building. Usually he calls me on a Saturday and says, hey, I need a couple brackets, and I'll be by there Sunday to pick them up, and he heads out of town with the brackets, so I haven't been able to film it. He called me Friday, said he needed them about the middle of the week. I'm filming this on a Sunday, so I've got a couple days to get these knocked out, so I figured I'd go ahead and film them. That way you guys got something to watch during the Christmas holiday, because I assume a lot of the creators, including myself, won't be doing much in the shop, so you know, give you something to watch. It's not mind-blowing, it's just fabricating and welding. But like I said, this is the stuff that comes in and pays the bills. So let me grab the camera, we'll go get some material, and we'll get this knocked out, and hope you enjoy. You guys probably can't see much in here, but let me get the material. I have been making them out of scrap, as much scrap as I had, but I about run out, so I'm probably going to be using some new 2x2 here. And I've got to get this piece of pole out here. It was an old basketball pole. Get that cut up, and I got to get some flat stock too. So I'm going to grab this stuff. I doubt you guys can see much without me opening this side here, but got it all organized. Don't think I showed this in the video when I got this thing, so working out really good. Well, that one is a little bit of a bear to wrestle. This part of the project is the only part that it's actually, I wouldn't say critical, but these have to be 7 inches in length. All the rest of the stuff, you know, I've got plenty of leeway. This is one of those down and dirty projects, get it knocked out. Tolerances are really loose. Of course, it'll make more sense when I get it built at the end, and we'll talk about it. But got Mr. Chaos in the shop today. He hurt his hip a few days ago, so I've been trying to be easy with him and not throw it as much, but of course he's not going for it. You know how high drive he is, so all he wants to do is play. Right, buddy? Say hi to everybody. Wish everybody a Merry Christmas. Well, I've got the material all cut, prepped, and ready to weld. So I'll stick you guys over here and get you a little welding shots. I'll probably speed it up though. So here's a little tip for you. Keep you a selection of pieces of wood. all different sizes and lengths, and even you know, wedge shaped, so it works out perfect for setting up when you got to make up a difference here to get level. So let me set the camera down and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So this is what I'm talking about, so you can make up the distance in any sort of combination. So now we're level and I can get this welded up. You know, don't have to do some janky fixturing or be in an odd position, because you always want to weld comfortable if you can. Okay, just got them all wrapped up. So now maybe they'll make a little more sense. So what this is a camera mount to go on a pole. So basically what's going to happen is, this is your mounting bracket. My electrician, he's going to run a couple big old lag bolts through this, and they also wrap it, you know, a band on the bottom, a band on the top. I didn't show you welding on this little edge here. Now see, the camera diameter to mount is about 4.5 inches, so that's why we welded these on here. So the camera is going to mount to this thing here. Normally it'll just mount to metal poles, but in this application he has wooden poles to deal with, you know, big, you know, utility poles. So that's why he needs these. So this will go to the utility pole, and then the camera will get mounted here. And what I'll do, I'll go ahead and put a picture in what one of the cameras looks like right here. So a few viewers that are not in the United States, here we have things called school zones. And what that entails is the road that goes in front of the school, they drop the speed limit down in the morning and in the afternoon. So when the kids are getting dropped off, and also when they're getting picked up. So hopefully traffic will slow down, and you know, it'll be safer for everybody. And if you don't, so that's what these cameras are for. So the camera will take a picture of your license plate, and then, I don't know, probably 3 weeks later, you're going to get a civil citation in the mail. So that's what these mounts are for. I said, you know, quick and dirty, just banging them out. Didn't have to worry about, you know, the welds pulling this way or that way and having to, you know, keep everything clamped down to the table. That way it keeps the cost down, you know, just bang these things out. And the electrician will be happy. You know, he said he's going to prep them, he's going to paint them, and they get mounted on a pole about, I don't know, 12 feet up in the air. So that's all he needs, and that's what we make for him. Well, all right, so that's going to be a wrap. I'll call my electrician, let him know they're ready, and come pick them up. Once he comes into town, he'll grab them, and they said he'll take them out of town and get them mounted up. So a little down and dirty, you know, that's job shop life, pays the bills. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys have a good Christmas. And, you know, hey, don't forget to subscribe if you're not a subscriber. I'd appreciate that. Thumbs up are great. Comments down below, I appreciate them. I try to respond to everyone, and of course I always read everyone. Mr. Chaos says thanks for watching, and we'll probably see you in 2024. All right, bye.